Hello lettering friend, I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights, and in this video I'm going to show you how to decorate your journal so you're not starting with a blank page. If you've started a hand lettering journal, you know the main thing you want to do is hand letter. But how do you fill a whole page and make it look good? Ever since I started my hand lettering journal, I've been trying to figure out how to decorate my pages to work best with hand lettering. The very first journal I used was this one that had little designs in the pages, and there were quotes every once in a while. I liked the designs to be in the center and on the outside of the edges. I just really loved this journal. It felt like I only had to come in and add my lettering. And then when I filled it up and I started using a blank journal, it was a little bit harder to get motivated sometimes because I had to decorate it myself. So I actually made a hand lettering journal kit to make it easy for you to break in your journal and overcome that blank page. So let's start decorating my journal, and I'll show you all the pieces included in the kit. I hope these pages will give you some good inspiration so you could do this with or without the kit. So this first spread is just going to be my April setup, but first, before getting to that, I'm going to show you that I just wanted to place in the rainbow quotes inspiration and the font page. I'm going to be referencing this a lot, so anytime that I can't think of a quote or want to use one of these, I'll want to turn back to this. So I'm making a little tab with one of the things from the kit, and I'm just cutting it to be a cute little tab that I can turn back to. Next, I'm going to write out my April, and I just wanted them to be little individual letters, and I'm using the Londrina font style and my Marvy Deco Color gold marker to fill in the outline. I wanted the negative space there, and then I'm also adding a little rainbow for the last one. And I really like how this turned out. It's super simple and really cute. One thing I like about decorating my journal beforehand is that I don't have to spend the time every day doing something really big. It's all ready beforehand, and then when I have a few moments here or there, I can go and turn to a page that I love and fill in a little quote. So like this one, I have that background and then just a little frame, and then I'm adding my rainbow quote to trace. And so I'm just showing you an example. This is how I would trace it. It's really simple. I'm using my Pentel Touch brush pen, and I like this because the page is all done for you and you're getting good practice, and then it's just a cute little quote that you didn't have to even think about. For the next page, I'm just going to add this cute little washi strip with the pens on the edges, and you could use any washi tape. I've just been experimenting with what it would be like to use my pictures of pens because I love them. And then for this one, I'm using one of the templates, and it's 5 songs that make me happy. And then when I'm feeling like that page, then I would fill in the 5 songs, and then on this left side of the page I'm adding the washi tape on the top and the bottom, and it's going to look really cool with the other side. I realized as I cut off the strips that I could use the leftovers to kind of tie in both pages together, and then I'm adding the sun at the top and the rainbow at the bottom, and it will be cool to be able to add a quote from one of the songs that I wrote on that list on the left side of the page. I'm really excited about when I get to do this page. And next, I wanted to do the washi strips on the edge again. I think that's super simple. It's all it needs. I also added another one of the quote templates. And then for the next page, I'm starting with this larger quote template. It kind of fills the entire page. And then for the left side, I wanted to use these stars, and so I just was trying to figure out how exactly I wanted them. So I glued them on, and then I had the idea to use a little bit of the washi strip to fill out the top and the bottom. And I just love how it turned out. I think it's so cute. I really like the look. And then here is how I am tracing the "Let's Climb the Rainbow" quote. And I'm just using my Pentel Touch brush pen again. And another thing that's nice about this is that you can print on any paper. So I'm using HP Premium 32 paper, and because it's smooth, I can use any pen, and then I'm just gluing it into my journal. So it would be okay to do this kind of thing in a journal that has a little bit more rough paper. And next I'm using this little journal template that says "Today I Am," and I'm using some washi tape. And then on the right hand side, I'm going to do the same thing that I did before with the little washi tape strip and the stars. I just think it's so cute how that turned out. And then I just wanted to show you how I would fill in this template. So I'm just writing words that I'm feeling today, or maybe I want to feel today, and then they can kind of become true. So I'm feeling loved, calm, grateful, and strong. And mostly I want to feel strong because there's a lot of transitions coming up in my life in the next few months. So I'm telling myself that I'm strong. I think this next one is my favorite of all the pages that I made. I used the washi tape strip the full length and then the rainbow and the clouds, and I just think it turned out super cute. And then for this one, I used the quote to trace and then a sticky note with a rainbow and stars. For this one, I just used the picture of my pens, and then I cut off a strip on the bottom and placed it on the next page. I think that looks really good. Then I used another quote to trace with the sun and a few rainbows to line the bottom. And one of the best parts about a handlettering journal is that it's a way to process your emotions. It helps you to calm down from your day and think about what you're actually feeling and kind of recenter yourself. And I love that this now is a beautiful way. It's a way to get creative and use your hand lettering, and all of these little design pieces just help. So I also have this Rhodia notebook, and it's a spiral bound journal. So I wanted to show how I would use that instead of the 2-page spread. So this, on the first page, I'm doing the background and then the little label, and that will be my welcome to the new journal. So your journal might look different depending on what kind of journal you have, and if you have a 2-page or a single page, but you can decorate it and make it look good no matter what it is. So if you like how my journal is turning out, you can get this hand lettering journal kit. It has the 20 quotes and 10 words that will give you 30 lettering prompts for the month. This journal is rainbow themed, so all of the quotes are rainbow quotes. It has font inspiration to practice in your lettering. It also has some backgrounds, some washi tape for edges, several rainbow quotes for you to trace, so you would already have a page done. It has some templates to fill in with your lettering and some sticky notes and some stickers and labels or tags. I will leave it linked below. I hope this helps give you a start with your hand lettering journal. Honestly, a hand lettering journal has been the best thing that's happened to me. It's a place to process all my emotions. It's a beautiful creative outlet and allows me to use my hand lettering to help me feel like my best self. If you want to start your own, I'll leave a playlist right here with other videos to help you get started. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.